Hi, I'm Carl, and in this video we're going to have a look at questions 85 and 86 of section 3 of the pink booklet. This is a question about the mortality rate of elderly people in the US, and we've been given this graph here that shows sort of an expected life expectancy or mortality rate and what's observed. The expected one comes from this thing called Gompert's law, and we're told that that means that the chance of an animal dying during adulthood rises exponentially with age. Okay, so then the expected line comes in after age 95. Question 85 says, suppose that Gompert's law applied to the data in the figure from age 80, when the mortality rate was 0.1, with a probability of a human dying in a particular year doubling every 5 years. Which of the following is closest to the probability of a 95-year-old person dying before the age of 96? Okay, so at the age of 80, we're told that the mortality rate is 0.1, and if it doubles every 5 years, and at 85 it's 0.2. At 90 then it's 0.4, and at 95 it's going to be 0.8, and that's going to be our answer, 0.8, which gives us answer A for question 85. So I've drawn the graph down here because 86 says which of the following helps explain why the observations differ from the expected figure. Okay, so let's go through all of these in turn. If it were the case that older people were frailer than expected, then we would actually observe a line going up in this direction. So that can't be it. B says mortality rate varies randomly. There's in my head, a clear upwards trend here. It's not random, so that's not going to be the answer here either. C says there's going to be conditions that people can die from other than old age, which of course is true, but again, it would cause a line to be observed more like this, and the expectation would be sort of an underestimate then. So it's not this, and that leaves us with D. It says people surviving to old age are more hardy than expected, and that's exactly what this shows. The mortality rate, which is measured on the y-axis here, shows that people are living longer than would be expected if they were following this Gompert's law. And so people surviving to old age are more hardy than expected, which does seem to be indicated in the graph. So the answer for this one is going to be D. So that's questions 85 and 86 of section 3.